Hi everybody. So people have asked about cutting all the different colors of vinyl on one mat when you have a smaller design. So I'm going to use my monster that I used before, and he's right now grouped. So I'm going to ungroup him, and normally what you would see is all the different layers or different colors on a different mat. So you've got all that. So I'm going to cancel that. And what I'm going to do is, since it's ungrouped now, I'm going to say change all these colors to one color. Now it looks weird, but anyhow, say make it, and it puts them all onto one sheet. So what I do normally here is I space things out a little bit to make my life easier so we can see where this one's at. And the next one we want to start right on the 4-inch mark, and the next one right on the 7-inch mark. And since you can put this below it, you would maybe put it down here on the 3 and 7. So now what you do is once that's good to go, you say continue, and it will put them all on to the one mat and cut them all at once. Now, obviously, you would have the blue here, the red here, the black here, and the white here for your actual vinyl, but it looks like it's all one color just so that you can put it in one place. If that doesn't make sense,